So every morning I pull the cars out, and this morning I pulled around 10 cars out, and I noticed that every single one of them is a Jaguar, most of which are XK Jaguars. So then I went around the inside of this building and I counted 21 Jaguars, most of which are E-types. In this building, we have at least 20 XKs and XKs, a couple Mark IIs. But I just want to let everybody know we know Jaguars. We love Jaguars. And oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that we also have 3 XK or E-type Jaguars in the body shop this time. Almost forgot.